So welcome back. Welcome back to my YouTube and Facebook page sa iFix Gadget lang guys. So natay repair karon guys na unit Vivo Y01 siya nga unit guys. LCD replacement. So morning one by so morning unit guys. LCD replacement guys. So, ato ni siyang Puliano brand new na LCD guys. Matawan ninyo guys. So ayan, welcome back to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Dila lang sa iFix Gadget. So ayan guys, ang yung unit sa pag-consumer guys. Vivo Y01, okay na ang unit guys. Ayan guys. Thanks for watching.